You're welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be addressing some questions that I have regarding how to settle easily in a new land. I've talked about it endlessly, but I guess some people still have concerns and they have questions, and I decided to put it in a video. So it also helps me to share some of the offerings that I have for you as new immigrants. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. I'm glad to have you join me on today's vlog. If you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. I know from my backend analytics that there are more watchers than subscribers. Guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and let's continue to bring out those contents that you always enjoy to come back to and watch. So subscribe, put on your notification bell, and let's get started. So if you're abroad and you're looking forward to coming this way, there are so many steps in which you would have taken for you to at least be at the point where you are currently. And when I say at the point, I mean that those of you that are looking at coming to Canada in a few months down the line, there are so many steps that you need to check before you come this way. I know all the preparations has gone on, but coming to a no man's land needs proper preparation. So if you have not yet prepared, it is a call to action for you in this video to go check out some of the things that you need to put in place before you land. Prepare all your documents. I will link here in the description box the last video that I had talking about how to prepare and what to look forward to when you're coming this way. Also, in another video that I shared a few weeks back, I mentioned that I'll be introducing 1 or 2 services that I'm offering to new immigrants. I know I get bombarded with messages from my inbox, people asking for one question or the other. I always redirect you guys back to my Instagram bio where I have a link for you to book an appointment and let's start the conversation from there. There's a lot of work that goes into us bringing content your way as content creators. But those that are abroad don't appreciate this because they also don't go back to these videos. The videos that I've shared in the past has a lot of rich content that you need to go watch. And I've been able to categorize them as well into playlists that also help you to go and check them. So you can always replay and go back to those videos and learn 1 or 2 things and begin to put them into good use before you land. What I mentioned in the last video that I gave you a sneak peek into it was that I have a new immigrant starter pack that I offer to immigrants, those that already have plans to landing and you have concerns with getting an accommodation, you have concerns with putting your house in order before you land. I will be able to help with this service. And when I mean this service, if you go on my Instagram bio, I will also put the link in the description box. You will see this package that I offer for students that are landing and also categorized into classic, into basic, and into premium. So this is a service that helps you as an immigrant. You're looking forward to coming this way. And from my experience and from the contacts that I've had, I see that it is difficult for new immigrants to start off afresh here without having help already here. So we are already here, and the service that I'm going to be offering will be to help you start off fresh. And by that, I also mean that if you don't have an accommodation or if you don't have a home set up when you immediately land or before you land, it kind of sets you back a bit in your settling programs. And sometimes immigrants land, they need to find a job. If you don't have a roof over your head, or if you don't have comfort with accommodation, it's difficult for you to start hunting for a job. It's difficult for you to kick off 1 or 2 of the things that you need to start putting in place as you land. So I want to take that stress off you, and we'll be able to give you a new immigrant starter pack, which I have offering for immigrants that are landing. So if you are a student, if you are coming as a couple, or you have family, please reach out to me if you have these needs, and I'll put them in categories whereby it just helps you initially settle a few things to kit up your home while you come in. So you have them already set up. You have your sofa, you have your bed, you have some kitchen cleaning items, you have some bathroom things, you have the basics. And this, I mean the basic, is a starter pack, and that means it's a basic kit for you to be able to settle before you begin to get other things to make it comfortable for you. And if you have this, obviously when you land, it's easy for you to hit the ground running with other things that help you to be able to move forward in your settlement plan. So this is the package that I'm offering. If you go on the link I'm going to put in the description box, it will take you to the starter pack. You can download it, look at it. The email is there for you to contact me. If you need any services, reach out to me. I also want to draw your attention to the add-ons that I have in the starter pack. These add-ons cannot be taken in isolation. If you want to be able to add on one service or the other, or one item or the other, then you must have actually taken one of the starter packs, whether the classic, whether the students, whether the premium or the basic option. So that means the add-ons will be easy to add on, right? That means it is an add-on. So if you don't have those starter pack kicking off, you can't have add-ons on your package. And yeah, so that's the offering I'm giving to you as an immigrant. It's a minimum package, it's a minimum starter kit that just gives you that leg up when you land. You have all those things ready, so it will help you do all the running around to get your beddings, your bed sheets, everything set up for you. You have your linen, you have the cleaning items, you have your bathroom kits, you have your kitchen kit, you have your sofa, you have your bed, those basics for you. And as you begin to move into the premium, or the number of rooms that you have in your home, they will begin to multiply that starter pack for that purpose, or it caters for it. So it's broken down for you to understand. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I will be able to give you more detailed information about what to expect based on your family size, if that kind of is not within the package, or the number of rooms that you're looking for when it comes to accommodation. So let's move on to the second offering that I have, which is drum rolling. Okay, let's make it easy. So the second offering is actually an ebook. I mentioned in one of my last videos that I was going to be bringing out an ebook, and this ebook actually comprises of so many things that we've talked about over the course of the channel. And this enables you as an immigrant, if you are outside of Canada, you are looking to come in this way, it helps you settle. And even if you land without reaching out to me, or you just come in and you came across this channel, the ebook is also for you. It is very cheap for you to be able to purchase. You can always find the link in my description box or in my bio, or my Instagram bio, and just put in all the details and make a purchase. So when you are done with your purchase, email me. So there's an email address there that you use. Send an email with the confirmation of your payment. Then you will have the access to this ebook. The ebook is actually very explanatory. It gives you steps as to what to do before you come to Canada. And then it breaks down all the various steps, the things that you need to look out for, to the links that you need to sign up for, the basic things that new immigrants need to look out for. There are so many things that immigrants miss because there's no information. So I've broken all of these things down in the ebook, and then I have links to give to you to be able to access some of these services, and then how to be able to settle, what to do on your first week, second week, third week, all broken down into the ebook. It just helps you, find regular things that new immigrants will be looking out for, where to find things for cheap, where to find amenities, where to find things and navigate around the city. So it's a self-explanatory ebook that just gives you, that landing comfort. In fact, it just gives you soft landing. So you don't have to come in and don't have someone to take you around or someone to point you to the right direction. The ebook gives you all that navigation that you require. So please go on my Instagram bio and make a purchase today, or click the link in the description box below so that you can access this ebook. It is for your benefit because there's a lot of resources that has gone into this. And yes, we need to continue to make this easy for immigrants to find access to. So please, everything is there for you to find. Go in there, sign up for one, email me to confirm, and then you have the link to be able to download that ebook. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Please share this around. These are just the two major information I thought to bring your way. I've mentioned it in the past, but I feel this is the time to give it to you guys. Also, to let you know that the information in the ebook also cuts across provinces. Yes, I am filming from Saskatoon in Saskatchewan. There are some particular things that apply to Saskatoon or Saskatchewan residents, but there are other things that serve as Canada-wide. So it will still be helpful to you if you don't live or have your destination as Saskatchewan. So please look out for this ebook, purchase a copy for yourself, and make settling easy for yourself. That's the purpose of this ebook coming to you. So if you purchase the ebook and you also want the new Immigrant Starter Pack, there will always be a combo discount for you for that package. So reach out to me and tell me, Flookie, I'm purchasing 2 of these packages, and what can you do as an offering that will be able to give you something good as a discount. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you're yet to, and see you in Saskatoon, Canada. Bye guys.